Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going forward. I did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line is coming from down here. But after today's price movement, I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this level up. Sure, that line still pertains, just not relevant. And from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. One of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level, when you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the strongest? That would be if the price can stay up above 14 cents. With that being said, if the price does drop below 14, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to actually stay up above 14 cents, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 14 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are residing, pretty straightforward right now, and that seems to be right up around that 17-cent mark. At one point, yeah, the price did get up above it, but that didn't last very long, and then later on in the afternoon, the price was directly rejected at that area. So 17 cents will be public enemy number one going into Wednesday. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Great movement today, great volume, and now it's just a question of can the bulls continue to build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.